And Jesus is alive.
Who is with this one? What happened?
Yali apa ku isomero ewanyange.
She was coming from school.
Ng'amugamba ati mama amagulu ganuma.
Then she said the legs are.
Yali apa ku isomero.
She was coming from school.
Yatuuka waka.
Then she reached home.
Yakati mama amagulu ganuma.
She told mom that the legs are paining.
Wabitana ku bbiri.
After 2 days,
gatandika okuva mu amaadi.
the water started coming out of the legs.
Twamugamba twamutwala eganga.
We took her to that place.
Owa Dr. Bamudaziza.
To Dr. Aziza.
Olwavaawo.
After there,
batusindika tutwaje Kenya.
They sent us to.
Olwava Kenya.
To Kenya.
Abazungu baida bakata mumutwala e Kachira.
Then they told us to take him to Kakira.
Olwava e Kachira.
After Kakira.
Bakati muje enalufenya. Olwava enalufenya bakati wano biganye.
We took him to Nalfenya and all things failed.
Ati mugenda enakani emulago e Kampala.
Then they took him to
Nalfenya. Is there a hospital at Nalfenya?
Eriyo. Jinja.
Fetumanyi Nalfenya. Fetumanyi yo bilala.
As we know a different Nalfenya here.
Olwatuuka eno twamala e Kampala emyaka ebiri.
Nindako. Olwatuuka eno twamala e Kampala emyaka
ebiri.
Then we've spent 2 years in Kampala.
Olwava e Kampala.
After Kampala,
twera ye Mukono.
we went to Mukono.
Twabe tuli awo.
We are still there.
Nga nze ndizeeyo iganga. Ono yakubese mutwaliwo yatufunye church.
Then someone came and told me they've got a church.
Kaira ino.
They came early in the morning.
Nasimba okuva iganga esaawa 2 ed'ekiro.
From Iganga at 8.
N'atuuka e Mukono.
He reached Mukono.
Yakati eriyo pastor.
Then they told him there is a pastor.
Ali wano simanyi obulungi banange.
Kawala.
Wano nti ali Kawala.
Then the pastor is in Kawala.
Kusaawa ndala tutuvenga tutuseewa e Kawala.
At 10 we are already at Kawala.
Omukyala wabaaki.
What happened?
Ntunuulira yogera nti.
Look at the pastor.
Ebigere bikulu. Wasanyalala.
My legs are paralyzed.
Yogera ntunuulidde nja kugoba.
Look at the pastor.
My legs.
Nasobola kutambula bulungi musumala ndagiridde nombowonya nzoponye.
She has spent a long time without being.
Gamba nti Yesu.
Say Jesus.
Nange njagala kuwona.
Njagala kuwona.
Wano mpulira bwe nkukonako mpulira.
Can you feel anything?
Siwulira.
I don't feel anything.
Bwe nkukonako owulira.
Siwulira.
I don't feel anything.
Siwulira.
She feels nothing.
Chichi. Eno ye size y'amagulu.
Is this the normal size of your legs?
Sumba siyeyo.
Gazimba.
They just swell up.
Sumba nyamba mponye ne mu bulumi.
Pastor, help me and heal me because I'm in a lot of pain.
N'ebigere byasirira.
What are the legs bent? Are the feet bent? Or are they paralyzed?
That I've come here, I want.
Gamba nti Yesu.
Say Jesus.
Sumulula abantu bo.
Set your people free.
Mu linnya lya Yesu.
In Jesus' name.
Tugeza.
Nga tuli fena.
Nga tulina okukkiriza.
As we have faith.
Tewali kirema Mukama.
Nothing that the Lord can fail to solve.
Omukyala.
Lady.
Pastor.
Mukama agenda kusumulula.
The Lord is going to set you free.
olina abaana bameka?
How many children do you have?
Sumba ninomu.
I have one child.
Taata w'omwana oyo ali ludda?
Where is the father of that child?
Namufunira ku ssomero.
Wamufunira ku ssomero?
I got him when I was still studying.
Waliwo omukyala Mukama gwandaga okuyita mu mpete.
There's a lady that the Lord shows me through this ring.
Waliwo omukyala Mukama gwandaga
A certain lady which the Lord reveals
nga
to me.
bamuyita Nabatanzi.
She was called
Era
Nabatanzi.
wali omukolera.
You used to work for her.
Omujjukidde?
Do you remember her?
Pastor.
Kubira Yesu engalo ezaama.
Glory to Jesus.
Ndaba olutalo olw'amaanyi
I see
wakati wo n'omukyalo ono
a great battle
n'agamba nti
between them.
omwagalira bbaawe.
While she was saying you had an affair with her husband.
Kituufu.
It's true.
Kituufu.
It's true, Pastor.
Kyo wakikola?
Did you do it?
Eh?
Ye pastor.
I did it.
That is a problem.
Kati awo wava obuzibu.
That is a problem.
Obuzibu awe butandikira.
Wali weewaana na kabina
You were praising yourself with your big bums.
n'akola eddogo ng'agamba
She did witchcraft while she was saying,
katulabe bw'oliddamu okalaga bba
let us
wange
see how you show it to my husband again.
ng'otambula weewalula.
While you're moving, while you're bigulaling.
Kati okyasobola okamulaga.
Musumba nkoze ntya okuwona. Sumba nsaba nsabire sitaddamu.
Kyukira n'omuge nti ensi eroga.
Turn to neighbor and say the world can bewitch. Hey, oh.
Ensi eroga.
This world can bewitch.
Kitange omutukuvu.
My dear Holy Father,
Nsindika amaanyi
I send power
mu bulamu bw'omwana ono.
into the life of this child.
Akyali mwana muto.
She's still a young girl.
Musonyiwe.
Forgive her.
Yakola ensobi.
She did a mistake.
Ate era n'oli
And even the other one,
kyeyakola si kye
what
kituufu
she did isn't the right thing
ekyokuloga.
as such, of bewitching.
Zaayo eddogo lino Mukama.
Take back this witchcraft, Lord.
Liiseeyo.
Take it back.
Liiseeyo.
Take it back.
Liiseeyo mu
Take
linnya lya
it
Yesu.
back.
Okuyita mu mpeta
Through
eno.
this ring,
Nsindika amaanyi
I send power
mu magulu g'omukyalo
to the
ono.
legs of this lady.
Nsindika
I
amaanyi
send energy
mu bulamu bwe.
into her life.
Receive power.
Tora manyi.
Receive power.
Tora manyi.
Be healed.
Onyezebwa.
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 In the name of
Mwine
Jesus
Yesu
Christ.
Kristo.
Arise up.
Yimuka.
Arise up.
Yimirira.
Arise up.
Golokoka.
Arise up.
Yimirira.
Be healed.
Onyezebwa.
Nkujja mu kagaali
I
ako.
pull you from that wheelchair.
Nkulagira okutambula.
I command you to walk.
Right now.
Kat.
Right now.
Kat.
Be healed.
Onyezebwa.
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 Be healed.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Glory be to God! Hallelujah!
Muleke.
Bring her.
Kubira Yesu engalo ez'amaanyi.
I tell you to Jesus!
Kubira Yesu engalo
I
ez'amaanyi.
tell you to Jesus!
Kubira Yesu engalo ez'amaanyi.
I tell you to Jesus! Tomuzayo ate.
Mulete wano. Mumulete wano. Temujja muzaayo na lufeenya mu linnya lya Yesu.
You're not taking her back to that pain, that place of pain in the name of Jesus.
Waki?
Nsoma mponye.
Owonye. Buli azibano ng'okaaba amaziga
Whoever has
ag'obulimu.
come here while you're crying
Ogenda
tears,
kaaba amaziga
you
ag'essanyu.
are going to cry tears of joy instead.
Ogenda kaaba amaziga ag'ekyamagero.
You're going to cry the tears because you've received a miracle.
Jangu wano.
Come here.
It's okay, yimirira. Eno si yali size y'amagulu ge?
Was this the normal size?
Si eyo.
It is not the size of her legs.
Kati nago
Even them.
gagenda kudda mu normal size
They are going
yago.
to normalize back to
Mulinnya
the
lya
original
Yesu.
size in the name of Jesus.
Sebo, sister awonye.
Yo.
Yesu yeebazibwe.
Amina.
Nina esa nino okwagala pastor okunsabira sister n'atereera.
Mwena muli basoga.
Muli basoga.
Nawe tukobere mu lusoga.
Tukobere.
Ndina essanyu lingi n'okwogera tusobola. Masano ndina mangi.
She's very glad that she's healed.
Nja kwogera ku Sunday musoma amasano mangi.
Kale mugende mutendereze Katonda wammwe.
You go and praise your God.
God bless you.
Mukama abawe omukisa.
Jesus is alive.